How's it everyone? Welcome to the channel. Let me show you how to make a cheeky little caramel, nut and banana big carb liquid food. Let's go buddy! You are going to need a banana and some canned caramel, a little bit of peanut butter, a good quality protein powder, a bit of coconut liqueur, some rock salt, vegetable glycerine, glucose or corn syrup, add all your ingredients to a blender and add your glycerine. I normally go 50-50 on the glucose and glycerine. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, you can add your glucose. A perfect liquid to add to any ground feed, spot mixes, PVA setups and boilies. Helps to pull fish into your feeding spot and keep them there. Thanks for watching, and as always, why buy it when you can make it even better? Tight lines.